Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have LED rock lights. If you have a big truck or anything you want lights on, this is great for it. So what you get in here comes with the, I can't even think what these things are, zip ties. And then you get, looks like it comes with 2, 4, 6 of these lights. And we have the whole wiring harness stuff. It'll connect up to your 12 volts and it comes with the remote control and then a variety of screws to make it work. I'll open up one of these here and show you guys what it kind of looks like, and then I'll show you what it looks like when we have one put on somewhere. So this is the way it is here. So you've got this, and then you've got your connectors. I guess you can probably run them in series and connect them all to each other, so you can get a bunch. And that's what they look like here. It's going to put out a lot of different lights, so it's cool. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done here in a second. So far, thumbs up. Okay, so we've got it now set up under here, and you can see we got blue lights going right now. And this is what it looks like when you've got those lights underneath. Super cool. Thumbs up.